What is going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Jaden's thermal label printer. If you sell on Whatnot, you sell online, whether that's eBay, like I just said, Whatnot, maybe Etsy, any of those platforms, especially eBay and Whatnot, what I've been doing lately, make sure you pick yourself up one of these thermal label printers. I was a little skeptical at first. I'll be showing you this portion. This is, of course, how you set in your labels. The labels are pretty thin. You can get bigger thermal label printers, or you can get bigger printer labels. I personally, this is all I need for the little things I ship, and bubble mailers and everything, and it pretty much works as for anything you're shipping, obviously. And of course, these are sticky little labels, and then you can just put those right on your bubble mailer or whatever you're using. Right here, I'm kind of showing you how to put in your labels. You're just going to tap that down like so, make sure it clicks, and the green light will light up. And then, of course, you can test it by pushing the button that's lit up green, and it will spit out a label to make sure that your printer is working properly. There are links down in the description below if you guys would like to pick this up for yourself off Amazon. I think it's around 60 to 70 bucks. One of the best buys by far that I've ever gotten. I'll be showing you in the next portions of the video, guys, how exactly you use it and connect it on your phone. It's very simplistic, very easy. Most of the things you'll do is you just save to files. I don't know if you guys have seen that on your Android or if you're using iPhone. I personally use iPhone. You can just click and save whatever, if you're using eBay or whatnot, it'll just give you, in the top right corner, if you'll click save, and it gives you an option to save to files. That's what you will be doing, but we'll be talking about that in just a second in this next portion. So when you first plug your printer up, obviously make sure the power button is on. It does have a little power button on the back here, and once that's powered on, it will light up green. It will beep. It sounds like it's beeping really fast, but it'll beep 3 times, and then it will stay solid green. Next, you're going to head over to the App Store and download the Shipping Printer Pro app. This one exactly with that icon. Once that's done, you'll make sure your Bluetooth is on, and you'll look for the JD268BT. It might be a little bit different, but it's going to start with JD. That, of course, means the Jaden's label printer. Once that's done, guys, you're going to, I'm going to be kind of showing you how now to print off a label. So as you can see this label that's printed right there, we're going to jump over. This is what the screen will look like when you have the app. You can click Gallery, File. Of course, I'm typically using File. For this example, we're going to be using the Gallery button just to kind of print something off. Just kind of show you, obviously, I can't use someone's address from labels that I've used in the past. So this is just a kind of picture of some Pokemon cards. I do ship a lot of Pokemon cards. You can crop it with the little pencil icon. You'll just simply crop that, and once you're done cropping, you'll just hit the print icon right there on the bottom right, and of course it will say rendering success, and then it should just spit it out like so in the next portion right here in this video. And there you go. That is as simple as that, guys. This has saved me tons of time, and it is definitely worth the money. So if you guys want to pick one up, just head over to the description of the videos down below and get yourself one of these thermal label printers. They work out great. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.